So your Wix store is really taking off, which is fantastic news. But as you know, that also means your product list is getting longer and longer. And a simple task like a store-wide price update, that can turn into a massive headache with a whole lot of clicking. Well, it really doesn't have to be that way. In this explainer, we're going to walk through using a CSV file for bulk imports and updates. Now, you can make some bulk changes right from your dashboard, which is great for quick fixes. But today, we're focusing on the spreadsheet method because it gives you the absolute most control. So let's get started. Okay, to kick things off, head over to your site's main dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, go ahead and click on Store Products. Once your product list loads up, just look for the More Actions button right up there in the top right corner. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Import. Think of this page as your command center for all bulk product management. Now, before we can actually edit anything, we need to get the correct file to work with. And this is a really important step because there are two different paths you can take, and choosing the right one really depends on what you're trying to do. If you want to update products that are already in your store, you'll want to export your current products. That'll give you a file that's already filled in with all your info. But if you're adding brand new products, you'll download the template file. Since we're updating today, we're going to go ahead and click Export Products. As soon as your file downloads, go ahead and open it in your spreadsheet program of choice. Let's take a quick look at how this file is structured. Okay, let's use a t-shirt with 2 sizes as an example to make this super clear. In the file, this one single product is actually represented by multiple rows. The most important column to understand here is field type. This is what tells Wix what each row is all about. You'll see product for the main item itself, variant for any options like size or color, and media for each product image. And here's something you have to remember. These terms are case sensitive. They have to be in all caps, just like you see here. Let's just quickly review the key rules for these columns. So field type defines what the row is. The name is only mandatory for the main product row. Price is required for any item that someone can actually buy. And inventory can be a number, or you can use the words in stock or out of stock. Just remember, those are case sensitive too. Okay, and now for the practical part. Let's actually make some edits. Before you change a thing, let's cover the 4 golden rules for a successful import. 1, do not add or delete any columns. 2, do not change any of the column names. 3, make sure all the mandatory fields are filled in. And 4, when you're all done, you must save the file in the correct CSV format. If you stick to these rules, you'll be in great shape. Back in our spreadsheet, let's make a few changes to our t-shirt. I'm going to find the row for the small variant and just change its price. Next, I'll find the large variant and update its inventory from a number to out of stock. You can just go right down the list, updating as many products as you need. So once you've finished all your edits, just remember to save the file and make sure you keep it in that CSV format. Any other format will cause the import to fail. Now that our file is updated and saved correctly, it's time to upload it back into Wix. So we're back here on the import screen in our dashboard. We'll click Upload File, select the CSV we just saved, and then hit that final Import button. Wix will process the file, and just like that, the summary screen shows our import was a success. But let's just go verify it. We'll pop over to our products page, find that t-shirt, and we can see the new price and the out-of-stock status are now live in our store. But what happens if something goes wrong? You might get an error message. If there's an issue, the summary screen will tell you immediately. And this is the really cool part. You'll see a button that says Generate Error CSV. If you click this, Wix creates a brand new spreadsheet that only contains the rows that had errors, and it adds a new column explaining exactly what needs to be fixed. That's it. For more information, tips, guidance, FAQs, and troubleshooting, read the full article in the Help Center and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.